Hello everyone, I'm Justin, sales manager of KH Factory, and today I will be back with a very helpful videos for Nigerian clients. You know, many clients in Nigeria want to start their hair business because it seems challenging because of many problems. In this video, I will give you a very clarified guide on how to start hair business in Nigeria with just 3 steps only. First of all, preparing background knowledge before finding how to start hair extension business in Nigeria. Before starting a hair extension business in Nigeria, you should prepare and learn the knowledge related to hair extensions. To avoid being scammed by hair distributors, you need to know how to classify your hair. According to the style, there will be bull straight, and curly hair extensions. According to hair thickness, there will be single drown, double drown, super double drown hair extensions. Some more tips that you should learn about the general price of virgin hair, Remy hair, because these two hairs have a rather high price difference. It's not easy for the new person who doesn't know how to start hair business in Nigeria to recognize this with naked eye. There are some places that even mix synthetic fibers into hair, so try to distinguish natural virgin hair and synthetic hair. Secondly, research on a reasonable price for a new buyer to know how to start a hair business in Nigeria. Setting a reasonable price for your product is also a way to promote the product to sell better. You need to research the price for your extensions. For the new buyers, how to start hair business in Nigeria is quite difficult for you to survey the market. However, when you are just starting to sell hair business in Nigeria market, you should put the reputations of the store first. Profits should be kept low to attract more customers. This is also a tip that you should not put too much emphasis on earning interest too much. It will ruin your hard work. Although how to start hair business in Nigeria can make you rich quickly, it takes a while for user to know your reputations, then gradually increase the price. Please spend plenty of time researching Nigerian hair extension market price. This is an important step to determine if you can succeed in learning how to start hair business in Nigeria. Last but not least, determining the type of business for your hair extension business in Nigeria. You need to define your business type before preparing the money to proceed for starting a hair business in Nigeria. Determine